Okie dokie, let's see what we have. Angle K to P to L. So K to P to L. And J to P to L. Those two angles are said to form a linear pair. So that means that together, if we add those two expressions together, those should be supplementary. It gives us some expressions for those two angles. It says, how can we check that the measure of angle KPL will be 64 and the measure of angle JPL will be 116? So it kind of is going to guide us through here. What is one way to check solutions? Place a check mark in the box if the response is correct. Place an X in the box if it is incorrect. So if we wanted to check solutions, would we draw a diagram? And if it looks good, the solutions are correct. That does not seem very valid, so I'm going to put an X. Or would we substitute the solutions into the original problem statement? That seems like a great way to check, so yes. Use your answers to exercise 22 to check the solutions. So here's what we know. We know that these two angles, if we add them together, so the measure of angle KPL plus the measure of angle JPL has to be supplementary, so they have to add up to be 180 degrees. So we can replace the information that we know. KPL is an expression 2x plus 24 plus JPL is 4x plus 36 and still equals 180 degrees. So let's combine like terms. 6x, we've got 24 and 36. That should give us 60. Subtract 60 from both sides. 180 minus 60, 120. Divide by 6 on both sides. And x should be 20. Okay, but it told us that our measurements were 64 degrees and 116. So what do we do with the 20? Now is when we go back and substitute. So our expression 2x plus 24 is now going to be 2 times 20, which we know is 40, plus our 24. There is 64, so that checks. And that was, that was angle KPL. And we knew that angle JPL had the expression 4x plus 36. So again, 4 times 20, 80, plus 36 would be exactly that 116. So how does your check show that you found the correct angle measurements? Well, when we substituted what we solved, it checked out to be our 64 and our 116. So, I don't know, you can paraphrase it in your own words. Everything checks out. And the two values are supplementary. Guess we didn't check that, did we? As they should be. I'll do that real quick. 116 plus 64. 6 and 4 is 0, carry our 1, there's 8, 1, there's our 180.